Welcome, here I've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. By tapping on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the right to mode button, so here we can change the modes of this camera. Let's pick the manual. This is kind of pro mode here, and this mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the left. The first one button here allows us to control the brightness of our picture. By going to the right we can make it more bright. By going to the left we can make it more dark. At the center we have 0 parameter, so let's stay on this one. And let's move to the second button from the left with contrast of the picture, and here we can make our photo with more contrast or less contrast, as you can see. And let's stay on the 0, so there's no problem to go back to auto parameters. And let's move to the next one button here. Here we have the focus. We can pick from the face focus, so this is the autofocus now. We can pick also the center focus, so the focusing is here at the center, and we have the manual focus. When we have this, we activate this slider and we can manually adjust focusing like that, as you can see. Now let's stay on the face focus, for example, and let's move to the next one button. Here we have the white balance, so we can control the temperature of our picture, and it depends from the light that we have in the area where we take a picture. So we can pick from the daylight, cloudy light, then white fluorescent light in 2 options, and also the tungsten light. So this is how to use this. And from the left we have the auto settings, auto white balance. Now let's move to the next one button. Here we have the ISO, so we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive by going to the right to 1 and 6,000 of it. So this is kind of wide spectrum. I think this is enough for this camera. And of course at the beginning from the left we have the auto settings. Let's go to the last one button. Here we can change the metering. We are in the center, weighted metering. From the left we have the average, and from the right we have the spot. And this is how to use this. Now let me use some of the settings to take a picture. So let's make our photo maybe more bright, and let's give it more contrast. The focusing stays, white balance, for example the cloudy, and ISO maybe here. To see my picture, let's move here to the right corner at the bottom, so we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.